If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Hello class, welcome to my music class. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play one of the most popular children's songs. If you're happy and you know it, let us consider the tonic solver first before we continue. So do, 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 ti, do, re. So, re, 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 do, re, mi. Mi, fa, 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 la, fa, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, ti, la, ti, do. Make sure that you learn the tonic solver very well and master it before you play it on the piano. Now, let us try the right hand. Place your thumb on G below the middle C and immediately jump to C. You can use finger number 3 to play C. The first phrase goes like this. So, do, 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 ti, do, re. Now, let us... Alright, we go to the next phrase. So, re, 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 do, re, mi. For your so, use your thumb for G before middle C. Then your re, your ring finger. For your do, your third finger. And for your mi, your pinky. Can we try? You use the same finger 3 and 4 for mi, fa, fa. Then your turn for lower la. Then arrange your finger back to finger 4. The normal position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your finger proper. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Fa, mi, re, do. Continue with your pinky. You need to reposition your finger. Put your pinky, okay? Then use your finger 3, reposition your finger and place C at finger 3. For do, then your pinky for mi, so that you can play the lower note. So you use finger 3 for your do, your pinky, finger 5 for your mi, finger 4 for your re, then your thumb for your la, then your second finger for your ti. So it goes like this. Do, mi, re, do, ti, la, ti, do. Alright. Then if you want to add your left hand, you can just use the following chord to accompany your melody. C major chord, G major chord, G7, C major, F major chord, C major chord, G major chord, G7, and C major chord. You must study the way the chord changes. You can apply your left hands in 2 ways. Either you play it in a static way that we popularly call block chord, or you hold down 2 notes among each of the 3 notes that forms your chord and play the third note separately. I'm going to play it in broken and block style. You can use any of the method that is most convenient for you. It will still sound the same. It will sound well. Either static or block chord, or you add the two together, both static and broken chord. Now I want you to hear it from start to finish. Pause the video and study it very carefully. Let us play everything together now. So friends, that is all for today. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.